I think I messed up. I didn't know making pro-level videos could be this easy. First things first, log into your Invideo AI account. If you don't have one, signing up is a breeze. Next, click on Create New Video to start a fresh project. This is where the magic begins. Now, import all your visual and audio assets. Got your images, clips, and tunes ready? Awesome! Time to create a storyboard. Use the scenes outlined in your script to sketch out your video's flow. It's like connecting the dots, but way cooler. Add text by inserting the script into the corresponding scenes. Make sure it's clear and catchy. For the voiceover, you can either record your own or upload a pre-recorded one. Your video's personality shines here. Next up, animations and effects. Enhance your visuals to make them pop and keep your audience hooked. Review and edit your masterpiece. Polish it up until it's just right. Once you're happy with it, hit export. You're almost there. Finally, upload your video to your YouTube channel. Share it with the world and watch those views roll in. And there you have it. A polished and professional video, all thanks to Invideo AI. Happy creating.